When you need to move materials in bulk vertically, reliably, efficiently, and without compromise, there's one solution that stands above the rest: the ISC bucket elevator. Perfectly adaptable to your existing conveying systems, ISC bucket elevators integrate seamlessly into new or existing layouts. Material flows smoothly into the inlet, where durable buckets scoop and load with precision. Minimal spillage, gentle handling, and adjustable take-up for perfect belt tension every time. Watch as high volumes of material are transported upward with speed and consistency. ISC bucket elevators deliver exceptional capacity, moving more material faster, while protecting product integrity, even for fragile or abrasive product. At the top, clean centrifugal discharge ensures complete emptying with no residue. And because every operation is unique, ISC designs bucket elevators that scale precisely to your needs, from capacity and height to bucket style and materials of construction. ISC delivers solutions powered by proven reliability. ISC selects from the industry's top motor and reducer suppliers. Premium, heavy-duty components chosen specifically to match your application's demands. Combined with rugged structural design and precision manufacturing throughout, every ISC bucket elevator is built for the long haul. The result? Maximum uptime, minimal maintenance, and decades of durable performance. With over 50 years of experience, ISC Manufacturing builds bucket elevators that fuel your business. Turnkey solutions engineered for durability, efficiency, and on-time delivery. Contact ISC Manufacturing today for a custom bucket elevator that outperforms the rest. Visit www.iscmfg.com or call 817-64-10691.